You get treats? Thank you. Oh, puppy. Oh, I'm sorry, Blade. I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Let's walk around. I know, it's okay. We'll get you treats. Come on. Yes. Oh. Okay. You want treats? You want treats? You do, don't you? Okay. We're getting you some. Want this one? Yes. Oh, you good boy. Sorry, I scared you. Oh. You want more? Okay, we'll get you one more, okay? One more. Okay, yes. You are a good boy. So good, yeah? Okay. Is that good? Is that good? You're a good boy. You sit. You sit. Sit. Blade. Blade, wait a second. Let's give more treats. Oh, Jesus. Blade, wait. Wait a second. You sit. 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 No, you don't want to sit? You're a good boy. Okay, one more? One more? Okay. Okay. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. That's 3 treats for you. Okay, you wait now. Oh, oh. I'm gonna get this for later. That's for you, Mishka and Manya. For later. Later. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You had 3 treats already, Blade. That's it. That's it. Let's get some more for later. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. We have to pay for them now, okay? You wait. Waiting in line. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. You have to wait, okay? Okay, you wait. You ate 3 treats already. You already had some. Yeah, wait a second. Come on, let's get you treats. They're in here, Blade. They're in here. Look in there. I'm gonna get you some treats. You want some? Come on. Okay, you sit. Sit. Oh, that's good. Is that good? Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Blade. Blade, no. Blade. Don't poop here. No, don't. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Fine. Just looking for treats.
Is that full master?
Cane Corso.
Okay, Cane.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You're a good boy. Yeah.
How old is he?
He's 6. Yeah. You're a good boy. Here, you want a treat?
4.
You have to
Here.
bring them with you?
Yeah. Well, we just got some at the dog store. Come on. No, we're not going back there. We were just there, Blade. Come on, let's go.